Hey everyone, a very good morning and welcome to another daily market outlook. So as we can see, the dollar index has been playing out to absolute perfection from yesterday's market outlook. So let's dive in, see what is going on and see if we can grab any opportunities for the day ahead. Starting off with the dollar index has been moving up in towards the upside as pretty much exactly explained yesterday. As we can see, we had this low failed to get taken up by this low, and what then happens, we see liquidation of that low, and then we see that reversal up once all the stop losses have been swiped out. So for now, from the dollar index, I am going to be expecting further upside to eventually take out this high in line with the overall daily and 4-hour trend, as I've pretty much been explaining all week long. So with that said, let's head over to Aussie dollar. And Aussie dollar has been consolidating hideously, as we can currently see, just stuck inside of this box. I took some shorts and I am still in some shorts with a partial position, but I am thinking of just closing out because this pair is just on a rampage in regards to consolidation. So absolutely useless pair at the moment, not much to be said, and I can't also really give an update on it, to be honest. Just quickly looking at the 15 is also not really saying that much in my personal opinion. So yeah, therefore just skipping out on this pair. But essentially, if we just look at the daily and the 4-hour and the weekly, we are still expecting further downside from Aussie dollar. So yeah, that is it for Aussie dollar. Let's head over to euro dollar. And euro dollar, so euro dollar has been moving in towards the downside since pretty much this buy before the sell-off. So this zone could be adjusted from wick to wick on that buy candle, and as you can see, that is what is causing that bearish reaction in line with the overall daily swing trend. So looking at the 4-hour at the moment, I'm not really interested at all looking for longs, even though the 4-hour is bullish at the moment from this low towards this high. So yeah, I'll probably just be looking for shorts once we pretty much take out this low over here. This seems like a mini order block, but there is no liquidation, so I do expect this order block to be swiped pretty easily, then look for a pullback and then look for a further short in line with the overall internal structure of the 4-hour. So yeah, that is it from euro dollar. Let's head over to pound dollar. And pound dollar, so pound dollar still waiting for shorts once we pull up a little bit higher and take out liquidity. For the rest, as we can currently see, pound dollar is just so messy. Yeah, but still expecting further downside, but at first potentially further upside before looking for those shorts. So yeah, that is it for pound dollar. Let's over to Kiwi dollar. And Kiwi dollar, so Kiwi dollar has been moving down lower, still expecting a further sell-off from this pair in towards the downside, with the overall daily pullback trend now looking very good. So I am expecting a further drop at least to take out this liquidity low, which tried to get taken out by this low. So there's a lot of stop losses below this low, and I do expect Kiwi dollar to take that out in the near future. So you could be looking for a potential short from today onwards. So yeah, that is it from Kiwi dollar. Let's head over to gold. And gold, so gold, I took a loss on gold yesterday after looking for an initial sell from this buy before the big drop, which essentially took out this low and this low. So yeah, little loss from me, but now expecting further downside still from gold in towards that daily zone from this order block over here. So yeah, that is it pretty much. That's the order block as well, which took out this trend line. So for now, just expecting gold to drop down lower in towards those daily areas of demand. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. If you have questions, just join the free Discord and ask them there. And I wish you all a fantastic day. Enjoy the snow if you're from the Netherlands, as it is snowing currently in my country. Very strange, as last week it was beautiful weather. So yeah, it was like 15 degrees towards the 20, but now it's snowing. So yeah, pretty strange. But yeah, wish you all a fantastic day and speak soon. Thanks, guys.